Hello, my name is Mariah Starnes. This is my second year of transition to teaching and also a master's in science of education. I teach at USD 428 in Great Bend, Kansas, and I'm also an elementary teacher. I'm art on the cart, so I visit all 5 elementary schools in our district, and I have a cart that carries all of my supplies, and I go into each individual classroom to teach art for one school for one whole week, and then we do a rotation. Thankfully, I do have a coworker to share um, half the school to teach art. One fun or interesting thing about myself is I am currently expecting our third child, and so starting my final semester of school with morning sickness isn't the best thing in the world, but definitely a bundle of joy that will come in September. What I consider being part of a reflective teaching process is being okay when things do not go right, being able to actually step back and look at what may have gone right, would have not gone right. What could I have said differently? How could I have reacted or responded to a student differently to prevent maybe a meltdown or, just different things to improve oneself in their teaching and to, improve the quality of education they're giving to a student. So, well, nice talking to you guys.